Today we are looking at a Hutchinson or Hutch cleaner C-1600 rotary screener. This unit is in good, ready to run condition. We've done quite a few things to this unit to get it up to 100%. It is a C-1600. It is currently loaded with corn screens. Just doing a walk around of the unit so you can see it in its entirety. This unit's screens could be changed to clean different crops. Wouldn't be too big of a deal. You'd just take the top rain guard off and then you can access the screens. It'd take about a Saturday afternoon. The tires on this unit are in good condition, good for moving around the farm. They would go down the road as well. This unit has two brand new 2 horsepower single phase electric motors installed on it. You can see we've got a brand new one up here on the auger. We've also got a new belt driving the auger. You can see down low we've got another one right here on the screen drive. They're two brand new 2 horsepower single phase 220 volt motors. This unit has been fully serviced. It's been put through the shop. It's ready to perform as good as a new one and not cost near as much. This unit is pretty much a Farm King rotary screener. I think Farm King kind of copied these Hutch cleaners. That was a good decision on Farm King's part because they're very simple. That's why they last so long. This unit has new belts on the screen drive as well. All of the bearings have been checked. Anything that needed replaced on this unit was replaced. You can see this unit has the cull auger. That is a very nice feature. In a second, we will show you that extended and deployed. The cull auger takes away the fine screenings. Everything smaller than the grain you want to keep, in this case corn, everything smaller than the kernel of corn is going to fall into the cull pan and then be transferred into the cull auger. We can see down inside of the unit, the screens have been checked. They're in good condition. This has an inner screen, that's your scalp screen, and an outer screen. This here is where your clean grain comes out, right here on that discharge. We rebuilt the hopper on this unit. Now, when I say rebuilt, all we had to do was sandblast and paint it. We just wanted to freshen it up. This unit really hasn't seen much use. You can see the bronze bushing that goes into the bottom of the hopper, carries the stub shaft there. Hardly has any wear. It's not really worn at all. The flighting on this unit is in good condition. I would say it is at about 70% out of 100%. It'll run a long time. And the flow control sleeve has been freed up as well. Again, all of the wear components were checked on this unit. It is ready to perform. This unit also has this nice wheeled jack on the front. Makes it easy to move around. I'm able to do that with one hand. It's going to help you position it around your bin site. This jack flips up and out of the way, so once you have it in place, you can lower it down, set it on the feet there, flip this out of the way, then you can pull that pin, and this drops this low enough to where you can get the hopper of a big auger or conveyor up underneath of here. Let's show you how this unit looks with the cull auger deployed and the in-feed auger down and where it's supposed to be. Here we can see the cull auger extended. It discharges at approximately 8.5 feet or 9 feet. Perfect to get the culls into a gravity flow wagon or a buckhorn box. And then coming around here to this side, we can see that the auger has been swung out. It has this nice carrier wheel on it, and you can move it around. And this gives you a very wide range of where the in-feed auger can be positioned on the rotary screener. You can see here that the in-feed auger drops it into this trough here and that sends it into the screens. This is the in-feed auger. That's where your unclean grain comes up and into the machine. Okay, we've got the unit hooked up to power. This is 220 volts single phase. This unit is a little loud because there is no product being pulled up and through the unit. If you move corn up and through this unit, it'll quiet down by quite a lot. We can see it run just by hitting the on switch here. The unit fires right up, runs strong, starts strong. Again, we've got brand new motors. machine. See the hopper there and the screw. See the rotary screen. The coal auger is running. Turning around here. This unit is in good working order. See the idlers and the belts. See the main bearing on the auger there. Again, this unit will quiet down by quite a lot when you start moving corn up and through it, or any grain for that matter. It's an all-around nice unit. And then to shut it off, we just pull on the disconnect there. Another thing that you can do is we have a twist lock plug on the auger. So let's say you want the screener to clean out. You can disconnect the twist lock plug and then run the screen by itself without running the in-feed auger. It's a very nice feature to have. This rotary screener and other rotary screeners, larger and smaller, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.